Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 28 to September 3, 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, promote ko lang ang aking mga power bracelets for manifestations of protection, healing, love, money. Available na po yan sa Shopee and sa TikTok. Pakicheck nyo na lang yung link sa description. Okay, so Gemini, this is a general reading, no? So maaari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin ang inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see what's up sa inyo, Gemini. You have Gazelle. Gazelle is the change of direction. Merong pagbabago ng isip. Or you are currently, taking this path and then suddenly, okay, kailangan kong kumaliwa. Ay, kumanan. Kailangan kong kumaliwa. So, it's like you are thinking about changing your direction. Can be sa career or sa relationship. And you're becoming more flexible rin, no? So, siguro yung iba sa inyo, nagtitake kayo ng ibang other opportunities available sa inyo ngayon. You also have the Tree of Life. Yes, this is about blessings and support. So, I think you are growing something. Meron kang pinauunlad, no? Pwedeng sarili mo to, pwedeng trabaho mo, career mo, or even your family, your business, ano man yung itinanim mo. And this is about focusing on where you are headed, saan ka papunta, ano yung direction na tatahakin mo. So, ngayong week na to, mas maliwanag na yan sa'yo. Kung kailangan mong mag-take ng turns. Kung kailangan mong lumiko, kumaliwa, kumanan. So, you also have Sensitive Soul, strengthen your boundaries and cut cords. Okay. So, ito yung realization ng iba sa inyo na may mga pagkakataon na kailangan nating mag-cut ng connection sa isang tao dahil maaring ito ay hindi na sa atin nakakatulong or hindi na sa atin nakakatulong na magpaunlad ng buhay natin. It doesn't mean na, you are just taking advantage of that person. Baka kasi it's the other way around. Sila yung nagtitake advantage sa'yo. 'Di ba? So, you are strengthening your boundaries na may limitations ka lang na, hanggang dito ka lang. Hindi mo pwedeng, hindi na nila pwedeng, kumbaga, mag-step doon sa boundaries na sineset mo sa kanila. And that is healthy kasi at least they know, no, kung hanggang saan lang sila pwede. You also have Eagle, Ancestral Healing. Your ancestors are holding space for you to heal your past. Okay, so you are healing from your past. Maaring nagsisimula pa lang to. Lalo na kung meron kang mga kinat na connection sa buhay mo, no? And be friends, family, lovers. At kung sino pa man na sa tingin mo, it's no longer serving your highest purpose. That's why meron kang change of direction ngayon. Meron kang tinatahak na bago. Pwede rin tong trabaho, career, no? Na, iiwanan mo na because hindi ka na umuunlad doon. Na you are feeling stuck. So, it's time to make that change. So, your overall energy is the Five of Wands. You're becoming more competitive, rebellious. Mas nagiging ka ngayon palaban, no, sa buhay. Na maybe because you know what you want, no? Alam mo na kung anong gusto mo sa buhay. Hindi ka na confused. So ngayon, ipaglalaban mo yung gusto mo. So, your challenge is the Queen of Pentacles. Ang challenge mo is kung paano ka mas magiging self-reliant, no? Na kaya mong mag-provide for yourself, for your loved ones. Especially kung ang iiwanan mo ngayon is your career or yung pinagkakakitaan mo. Syempre, kung may babaguhin ka dyan, isipin mo, dun ba sa bago mong itatry, no? Dun ba sa bagong susubukan mo, kaya mo bang mas mag-provide or kaya mo bang matugunan yung mga pangangailangan mo ng higit pa. Kasi kung wala namang magiging positibong pagbabago doon, bakit kailangan mo pang mag-change ng direction, di ba? So, this is you trusting yourself, trusting your productivity. And, pagtitiwala mo rin sa mga kaya mo pang gawin, kaya mo pang i-produce for yourself. And then, this is your opportunity. Ooh, Three of Swords. You have the opportunity to heal something that is painful sa'yo. Kasi, itong Three of Swords na to, this is like a thing in the past. Na yes, meron kang kailangang iwanan, i-cut off na tao sa buhay mo or, tanggalin sa buhay mo. But, it's not going to be easy. Pero, you have the opportunity to heal from that. Okay? This is your blessing. Two of Swords. Yung mga pinagpapasawalang bahala mo or yung dinedelay mo na decision, ngayong week na to, you will finally decide. Kasi with the help of your instinct, your intuition, yung divine guidance, nagiging clear na sa'yo on which path to take. And that is also giving you yung lakas ng loob, no? Na magpatuloy sa buhay at tahakin yung mga gusto mong subukan kahit na mag-isa ka lang. You also have Jupiter in Sagittarius in the 9th house principle. Yes. Mas lalong tumitibay yung prinsipyo mo sa buhay. Oo. 9th house is also about seeking foreign places, travel, education, higher learning. So, yung iba sa inyo, mas nagiging, kayo ngayon, well-educated, well-informed. Marami kayong mga bagong natutuklasan sa inyong sarili. Yung mga belief system ninyo nagbabago. Mas lalo yung pinapaunlad yung sarili nyo. At hindi kayo tumitigil lang, no, sa isang lugar, sa isang sitwasyon na alam nyo wala ng pag-unlad. You want to grow, you want to expand, explore new opportunities. You also have Mercury in Cancer in the 4th house, which is your intuition. Yes, this is your intuition, your instinct that is telling you, guiding you through which path to take. Mercury is about messages, your thoughts. So, parang pinapadaan yun sa sa isip nyo. So, I think nagkakaroon ng shift ng mindset ninyo na it's time to take action and focus on your stability. And anything that you love or you want to protect, gusto mong protektahan, can be your career, your family, your business, your loved ones. And let's get more messages. Gemini. For Gemini, mas magiging on point yung inyong intuition ngayon. It's like parang by default, you already know what to do. Wall, may misunderstanding. So some of you, Gemini, maaring magkaroon ng hindi pagkakaunawaan sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. Can be your friends, your family, your loved ones. Especially that Mercury is going to be in retrograde or is in retrograde. May mga taong hindi makakaintindi sa mga gagawin mo, sa mga susubukan mo. In need of help, assistance, and guidance. So, maaring merong tutulong sa'yo, magbibigay sa'yo ng clarity, and magbibigay sa'yo ng opportunity to learn something new. Tungkol dito sa tinatahak mong bagong landas. Meron kang short journey. Maaaring meron kang pupuntahang lugar na kung saan makakatulong sa'yo na makapag-isip-isip or makakatulong to sa'yo na magkaroon ng bagong ideas at matugunan rin yung ng solusyon, yung mga challenges ninyo. Choose to follow the path of forgiveness and raise your vibration. Yes, forgiving people is also a way for you to move on, to heal yourself, to move forward. Siyempre, pag may kinut off ka na tao sa buhay mo, the main reason is it's not working anymore, no? So, forgive yourself, forgive the people around you kung ready ka na. And number one dyan na kailangan mong patawarin yung sarili mo. The time is right to access and master your abilities. Do so with humility and control. Yes. You're going to master your abilities. Hindi lang i-access, no? I-master mo pa yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.